Hello, this is Joe Abenante, the Valley Library Consortium, where we are empowering libraries for success. Welcome to our screencast training series on Horizon Online Forms. In this first section, we'll go over creating a new Bstat code using the VLC's website online form, and that address is valleylibrary.org. We're at the home page, and if you go over to Member Resources and hover over that, and then if you go down to Forms, hover on that, there's a pop-up listing all of the forms that are available to be filled out. So go over and hover on the first form listed, which is the Borrower Statistical Class, or Bstat form. Double-click on that. And now we're at the Bstat form. A Bstat, or Borrower Statistical Class, is simply a designation for a group of borrowers that lets you generate statistics. You can create Bstats for age groups or geographical areas. You can also assign multiple Bstats to a borrower. So to request a new Bstat, you'll need to fill in the form, and all fields that are marked with a red asterisk are required. The first field is your library name. Just click on the down arrow and scroll down to find the appropriate library. Click on that. Name, that's simply your name. The next field is to indicate whether you are adding, changing, or deleting a record. And at the end of this, I will talk a little bit more about deleting a record. So in this case, we're going to choose Add a Record. Fill in the actual Bstat code now, and this is the alpha or alphanumeric code. The maximum number of characters is 7, and it must begin with your branch 2-digit alpha code. And then you want to enter a description that's appropriate for that new code. I'm going to scroll down to the next field. Notes to VLC staff. This is where you'd want to fill in something that would be pertinent to the new code. We'd like to start using this new code effective 8/12. Once you've reviewed the information that you've filled in, go to the bottom and click Submit. And then you'll see the message, "Thank you, your submission has been received." So let's talk about deleting a record. You may need to have a Bstat deleted, but in fact we are not deleting it. We are saving the code for historical statistical reasons. Even though you're going to be telling us to delete a record and the code, and go down to description, here's where you want to tell us that we were just changing the description to do not use. That way the code is kept on the system for statistical reasons, and yet the description's been changed to do not use so that staff members, when seeing that code, will not use it. And once you're done with that, go down to the Submit and click on the Submit button. That concludes this section on adding a Bstat code.